Hello, cool boys! For today's episode of Quick Tips, I'm gonna show you how to remove a door panel. For my car, a Honda City 2013, it's very simple actually. It's not that complicated. For this, you need 3 items. Any thick card, like a cutting knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and you can remove this one. So you get your thick card, swipe it. There you go. So you pull it off. There, the bottom. That's it. Next screw is this one. So in total, there's 3 screws. So you want to remove this cable and this cable. See there? Oh, careful. You can lift this up. On your front passenger seat, you will see the same thing, so you have to remove it. Swap it like that. There. Then you can simply lift it. Go. And pull it. That's how you remove the door panels. So, don't forget to watch my other videos, like and subscribe. Keep safe and stay at home.